Previously, we talked about a problem we can face, that is to handle the missing keys. Therefore, we talked about some solutions to this problem. For example, we talked about get method. In this case, if the key is available, it will be returned, otherwise the default value is returned. With get method, you cannot assign a value to a key. Another practical way is using in and not in keyword to check if whether a key exists in our dictionary or not. Next, we can use try and except block, an exception that handles the key error. For instance, I create an empty dictionary, and in try part, I try to access a value of a key, and in exception part, I assign a new value to that key. Therefore, if my dictionary has that key, it will be returned. Otherwise, it inserts that key with the value I define. And for final solution, we introduced setDefault method in previous section that can handle this problem. For a better solution for this problem, you can check the above link or go to the defaultdict tutorial.